Hello, my name is Nia Muda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we continue with the GBD design challenge, and this is day 12. Alright, so let me quickly take this out. Alright, so this is the design we're working on. Go over there. Let's import the design as a background. Alright, this guy here. Alright, okay, so this is the size that we're working with. It's a square. Okay, so you can go ahead and change it right now. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so we want to replicate this design exactly the way it is. Okay, so the first thing is, let's get a church logo. Alright, we can just go ahead and take out the background. No. Okay. The name of the church is Impact. Okay, it's a ministry or network. Alright, so what's it there? Alright, we'll get a font to be using. Right, that is that. Then we have another information there. International Youth Conference. It's gonna be here. I can just copy this guy here, put it there. International Youth Conference. Right. So with this time around, we use the right alignment. Okay. Alright, we'll break it from here. Alright, this guy is going to be here. Okay, we can just work on this a little. Okay, then next is the speed of excellence. I think we can still increase it. So we come over here, the spirit, okay, and it's going to be 2 lines. Alright, to go over here, we use monster and this. Right, okay, it's black. Okay, we'll close up the space and we'll centralize it. Okay. We'll still close it up a little. Right. We use a script font for excellence, so go like this. Spirit of excellence. So let's go. Alright, so let's get a decent font. Let's check again. No. Let's check again. There's some. Alright, so we can go with this font right here, and we'll just use padding to get the sides that are hiding out. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is it. Then the pastor's picture. It's going to be there. Alright. Let's enhance it a little. Okay, so let's create a shape for the name. I'm going to use a different color. Then we have a triangle. So I'm going to centralize this and then centralize this. Then I'll change this to red also. Alright, then I'll go here now and merge them together. Okay, it has been merged. Then I'll go ahead and put the name there. Alright, so the name is going to be there. It's a white color. Okay, so what forms the background around that area is a kind of a building actually. So this guy's here. Okay. This guy is here. What we do is simply to reduce the opacity and also reduce saturation. Alright, then we'll send it to the back. Okay, we're done with that. We can still reduce opacity a little more. Okay. Right, so pastor's name is going to be there. So the other information is I think Sunday. Let's see this. Let me log this. The name is going to be here. I think Odafe Oyibo. Alright, so we're gonna put it there. Copy this and we'll put it there like this. Alright, so zoom it so that we'll see what we're doing. Alright, so let's go to this right here. close it up a little. Don't forget to like this video. All right, if you are enjoying it, you like it, and then I think the last information we need is these guys here. So let's go. Okay, this is going to be at the bottom here. Right, we'll get it from here. Alright, so go here, pick the font. So we have Sunday 1st May 2022 2 p.m. So let's go. Sunday 1st May 2022 2 p.m. So from here we'll pick it. Right, come right here. Bring it right here. Okay, so we're doing it like this, and we'll use a bolder font. Let's use this guy here. Right, reduce it, put it there. I think we'll just reduce it. Right, okay, then we have 2 p.m. so the same font here. Alright, 2 p.m. so let's go 2 p.m. we add background to it. Background red. Let's pad this. Go again. Okay, so we can just a little. Okay, so I'll just change the color to white. Right, then I'm going to increase it so that, sorry about that, I'm going to increase this. Don't forget to subscribe so you enjoy more tutorials like this. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Right, so I've done this. So after this, we want to get the other information at the bottom there, so which is this right here. So for a query, call this. So copy this. Alright, we can bring in these text. Alright, can bring in this text here and put it right there. Okay. Alright, so do it like this and put it right there. Okay, so we'll make it bold. If it's not getting bold, just change the font. Let's use this guy. Alright, then I think for a query should be red. Alright, then the last information we have there is the church social media. So how do we get that? We have a social media cycle font here. We can use Facebook, Instagram, and which other one again? Alright, let's go. Let's see. So I'm going to go to the font here and I'll pick this guy. Alright, I'll just use this 3, and the color, of course, I'm going to change it to red. Okay, and I'll put it there. So you can get yours from the internet. You can download your social media fonts directly, or you may decide to use this one, whichever one you want to use. So what we there is the church name. I think is Impact Network. Okay, that'll be there. So let's go Impact Network. So let's go Impact Network. Okay, so make it black. Alright, so I think we are almost done. What we still have to do is there is off here, so we just put this same font here. We'll copy it and write our off, and then it's going to be red. Then we add a background to it, so make it red, right, and then add outline to it, a white outline like this, right. Then we'll put it over there. Okay. Alright, so this guy can go. Okay, so this is it. This is it. So we are done. So I just want to adjust this a little more. Bring it to the front. Just do a little adjustment here. Okay. Alright, then I'll lock it back again. I'm bringing this guy here. Okay, so I'll move this. Sorry, I'll move this and this downwards. Okay. All right. Right. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more tutorials like this. And tell me if you enjoy this tutorial. And also, I would like to know where you're watching from. Okay. Okay, if you want to add more background to it, you can just get other stuff, but I like it plain like this. Very simple, straight to the point. And I will see you in the next tutorial. My name is Hamuda, and don't forget to subscribe.